All right, today was a really exciting day, and like I said yesterday, today was a signal day. So we started the day with this big gap up, huge gap up, and then another run. And the volume on this run is notably high. All right, this looks really good. What we got? 1.3 million? Yeah, that sounds pretty high. So I'm really happy with that, and it reminds me of the bullish signal that we got for the end of the downward channel. That move right there was a signal that the downtrend, which is shown in purple, was over. And that move came with big volume. And I think we're seeing a similar signal today. Just like it back here, after the bullish signal that the downward trend was over, the price returned to touch this purple downward channel. And then it bounced. And I said, don't discount this bounce. This is a big deal. When it comes down and it confirms that that price is too low, that's a great signal. And I feel exactly the same way about this signal. Stay for the next 1 or 2 minutes, however long this takes me. I want to show you how my chart patterns are coming into play. Like today was a big day, and there's a reason for that. There's a confluence of many chart patterns all coming together, and I'm going to go through it right now. I'm going to move up into the 15-minute chart, which at this point in time doesn't have a lot on it. You will see in black an inverted head and shoulders target. Remember, this was the inverted head and shoulders I saw shaping up last week as the bottom, and it was the bottom. And I said this level is kind of hard to calculate, but it's around $39. And sure enough, the dip was right there. All right, the head and shoulders target on the 15-minute chart and the upward channel on the 1-minute chart converged, and at that point, that's where the price touched and reversed after the run. So, big deal. I love seeing that, especially when it's congruent. Now I'm going to move up into my 4-hour chart. Okay, here we go. We have some more lines. What's this purple line? This purple line is a downward channel on the 4-hour chart, so it goes further back in time, and I'll zoom out. But for now, I just want to show that 4-hour downward channel drawing demonstrates where the run found support and lost support. You can see there were several occasions throughout the morning where it touched and bounced, right? One here, two, three, four, five, six different distinct little touches, and then when the price broke through that, that's what signaled the downtrend. So just kind of compressing my chart a bit here, you can see that there's a double bottom confirmation at $44.44, and the price pretty much reached there, right? Like how did we got here? We got up to 43.80. Okay, so we got really close to touching that, and that's kind of a rejection. So again, you can see how the patterns on my 4-hour chart also came into play here, defining the top of the run and then the support prior to the fallout. Now I'm going to go up one more, and here we go again. Incredible stuff. These blue lines are is the symmetrical triangle I've been following, and it's not the same triangle on Reddit. Don't go there. And then there's this green one. What's this green one? This is something that I haven't shared a lot of because I kind of like to keep it, to myself. A lot of people overplay this, but it's an upward channel, and it's defined by the low and the high in January, and then the high in June. So now I'm going to start taking a step back and running you through my charts in the appropriate time periods. This is my 15-minute chart. The price did come very high today, and we did see a big gap up on open. Look at this target. My inverted head and shoulders target almost perfectly defines where that bottom was. I mean, come on. This stuff is amazing. And the close right above the gap zone, beautiful. This is the 4-hour chart. You'll see this downward channel in pink. The double bottom confirmation was rejected, and the price came down, and it fell until it found more support at this gap zone. And here we are. So the daily chart, and you'll see the blue symmetrical triangle and this green channel, and they converge right here inside of this oval. And I've been specifying that this is my anticipated breakout date for the symmetrical triangle, and the target for that symmetrical triangle, the upside target, is 54.04. As you can see, the volume, huge tick up. The RSI is also trending up, but it's not quite into super bullish territory yet. The MACD has crossed over, which is nice. And then going to the average volume, you can see volume was above average last 50 days. So yeah, I'm happy with the daily chart. And you can see how all of these different chart patterns all kind of converged on today, and tomorrow being my estimated breakout date, I couldn't be happier.